Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the MMR indicator for MT4. This tool is designed to improve decision making by highlighting margin usage, risk exposure, and potential market momentum or reversal conditions in one place. In this tutorial, you will see what it measures, how it can appear on the chart, and how it fits into risk and trade planning. The MMR indicator for MT4 is presented as a custom indicator that can represent aspects of margin requirements, money management, and risk ratios, and in some forms also acts as a momentum or reversal indicator. Its role is to give traders a clearer view of margin usage, market momentum extremes, and overall risk exposure so they can make more disciplined decisions. By condensing multiple risks and market factors into a single output, it acts as a decision support tool rather than a simple price-only indicator. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the charts so you can see how it looks in real time. Alright, so now we have it installed and it's quite easy to interpret. When installed on MT4, the MMR indicator can appear as a sub-window with lines, histograms, or color zones that show conditions such as safe, caution, or danger levels for margin and exposure depending on the version. In technical variations, it can also highlight overextended conditions or momentum situations where a market may be more likely to reverse. Traders can use these visual cues to judge whether account risks and market momentum are in acceptable ranges before entering or managing trades. As for the settings, the indicator's calculation engine can take into account balance, equity, open trades, and margin requirements, and in some versions, volatility or price momentum. Users can typically adjust inputs such as risk thresholds, timeframes, or sensitivity levels so the indicator's warnings and readings match their personal risk profile and strategy. You can also customize colors and timeframes as well. As for who is for, the MMR indicator is suited to both beginners and experienced traders who want a blend of risk management and market analysis in one MT4 tool. Common mistakes include over-reliance on the indicator, not customizing settings, ignoring other risk factors like news, and using excessive leverage despite the readings. It should be seen as an aid that supports good risk practices and technical analysis, not as a replacement for a robust trading plan or awareness of external market drivers. You can download the MMR indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek emphasizes how MMR brings together margin monitoring, risk exposure, and in some versions, reversal style information into one visual format. If you like indicators that combine risk management with chart analysis, subscribe to the Forex Geek channel and turn on notifications for more MT4 focused videos.